Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out this next week in July. So let's go ahead and go back and I will show you the full spread of last week. So we did end up going on our reunion trip and that was super fun, but this is kind of how it laid out. We just had a bunch of family time, lots of food, too much food, so definitely gonna get back on the working out this week for sure. But we're gonna go ahead and start with this week here. I do have this kit from Sara Marie Stickers. She has this freebie that has the first day, kind of a girl's version and a boy's version, and then I did use this in my monthly setup, so that's already used. I did grab the date headers here. This is kit 152. This is just the sampler, and then I got the full boxes, and then I did get the washi strips because I really like these paper clips. I think they're cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this. I am going to use this paper clip one for the top. I just think it's freaking adorable. So, or do I want to use this at the bottom? I haven't quite decided. I'm gonna use it at the top. I think it's just so cute. So we're gonna put this here, and then I will put the date headers kind of on top of it because they are pretty small, and hopefully that covers up that little extra area. Oh yeah, perfect. Like so. Oh, it's a little crooked. There we go. So we will do that, and then I think I'm just going to use the crayons on the bottom here. So we will put this in this little extra space down here. Very cute. So as you can see, it is back to school time. We have registered the kids. They have their orientations and back to school nights this week, and lots of fun things happening. So I do have a kindergartner, a fourth grader, and a high schooler now. So all big things. They are not ready. I told them today, you know, you gotta start going to bed early, no more staying up. And they're not too excited about that, but they are excited nonetheless. Go see their friends again. I feel like summer flew by and took forever at the same time. Up here, little noises in the background. My daughter is back here, so hopefully she will be a good girl and stay quiet. She's making noises. No, I'm not kidding you. All right, so that is done and out of the way, and we will go ahead and do the sidebar over here. And I think I am going to use, I want to use one of these for the actual first day of school because I think it's just appropriate. So I think I am just going to use this one for up here. Cover up all that calendar nonsense up there. And then I'm going to use that thin washi to kind of separate out the spaces here. I can never get this right, so I'll probably have to pull it up and do it again, but her stickers are removable, so that's fine. I did go ahead and pull out this to-do list tracker. Let's see, maybe right here. I believe that's from Planner Kate. And then we will do another strip here. Hopefully it works out for me, and the other one fits fine for my dinners. If not, we'll just have to pull it up. It's not a big deal. And this one is from Planner Kate as well. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit perfectly. So we will do a little bit higher, like so. And then, as usual, my steps and exercises. Like I said, we just got back from our reunion, so definitely gonna attack that full swing here. On here, we're going to put the to-dos, nice and small font there. And then she doesn't have a meals sticker, so I'll have to dig one out in a little bit, but that's fine. All right, first things first is my husband's work schedule. So he will go to work tomorrow, and then he's off the next 2 days. So we will start off there. And then I have dance at 9. I'm just gonna put this dot here. Use this dance sticker right here. And then I'll use the yellow one for, I'm gonna put it over the 4 o'clock, but it's at 4:30. So that'll be fine. And then I just have my client in the evening here. And then Tuesday, he's gonna be off, and then we have orientation, 2 different orientations. So my Braden's is going to be from 9 to 12. I'm gonna go ahead and put that here in one of these. I don't have a sticker, but we'll just have to write it in. So that'll be there. And then dance, it's gonna be at 4:30. Just put a little dot there. And this here. And then Mackenzie's will be at 6. So right afterwards, come home, take a quick shower, and then go. Like that. And then he's off Wednesday, and then I have dance. I am going to change my schedule, but it's not going to start until this day. I'm going to have 2 late nights so that people that get off at work at 5:30 can still come dance. So I'll have that here. And then I will go to my client. This week is going to, it doesn't look very busy, but it's going to be busy. We already went school supply shopping, so that's off the list, but I do have to get shoes still. If you know anything about shoes and kids, they go through them fast, so I don't like spending a ton of money on them, but it has to be done, so it is what it is. All right, Thursday, he's going back to work. So Thursday and Friday he works, and then he's off this weekend. My oldest last year went through 3 sizes within like 2 months. So super fun. It's a super fun time. Let's see. So this is the actual first day of school. So I do have these school script stickers, and I'm going to put them in this top little area just so I know. I have a ton of them, and I have some that say no school too, so when they do have cancellations I can kind of plan that out. And then I'm going to use that full box that says first day of school in here. Then we will have dance at 4:30. And then I did cancel my Friday dance class. I just wasn't getting as much people. And then the Y, my friend is going to start doing the morning ones, and I don't want to, you know, have conflict with that. So I'm just going to pull away on Fridays. Perfectly fine with me. And then, let's see. I have private pay there. Friday, I don't have anything going on except for I do have a dinner. So one of my friends messaged a group of us, and we're gonna go to dinner. So I have to go to my client's early that night, but it's his daughter actually, so he's okay with it. And we're gonna kind of get dinner and drink, so that'll be fun. Saturday, let's do the banner. Let's see. I don't think, oh, that's gonna be, oh, here. Let's use this green. Oh wait, that's the same color. Well, that, no, it's not, it's blue. Here I am not making decisions. It's fine. Let's put the weekend banner up real quick. This here. And then I will be working the front desk here, and then we'll put the weekend banner. Hopefully this doesn't look bad with this. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. That reminds me of graph paper. So I do work 7:45 to 12, so I'll just put 8 because I just have to be there early. Or do I want to put one of these bigger boxes? I don't know, but I do know that's crooked, so let's fix that first. You know, you would think having all these lines, I could still put things down somewhat straight. Not I. So let's do front desk here, and this is a smaller box than I'm used to. And then I do have this little doodle girl from Simply Samantha Stickers. I'm gonna put her kind of down a little bit. So we're gonna go do that, and then I actually have a concert. We're gonna go see Matchbox 20. It was supposed to be me, my mom, my sister, and then my aunt, but my mom has had, I want to say, like 5 strokes this year, so she's not walking real good, so she's not gonna go. My aunt obviously is not gonna go without her, so it was gonna be kind of a sister's thing, but it's fine. I think me, my sister, my niece, and probably one of my niece's friends is gonna go. But that concert was scheduled for 2020, and if we all know what happened then, it got canceled, and we just now got the date for that. So I am excited. We finally get to go. I was a little worried that it wasn't going to actually happen, but it's fine. And then Sunday, he's off, and then we have my dad's side of the reunion. So I'm going to put... what am I going to put? I might just use one of these full boxes here because it's going to take up a big chunk of the day. So I'll just probably do that. But I do want to go ahead and put this private pay here. I am taking that night off because it doesn't start till 7, and it's about an hour and a half to 2 hour drive to Indy. So, or I guess it's in Noblesville, but I just want to leave the amount of time there. So let's go ahead and fill in this. What did I say this was? This is going to be Braden's orientation. And then Mackenzie's open house. I don't know if it's an open house orientation or what. And my middle son, his is after they start because he's like already been in the school. It's mostly like whoever's coming to the new school. And then Friday, dinner with, I'm just gonna put Amber. She's the one that put it together. And then Matchbox 20. There. Alright, so let's do these full boxes. Like I said, I know I want to use one of these. I'm going to use this pencil box one for Thursday. We'll just do it at 10 here. So that's cute. And I know I want to use this one for over here. It starts at 12, but I'm going to put 11 because it is kind of a drive to get there. It's my cousin's house, but it's kind of far away. And then I'm going to use this backpack for Friday because they are still going to be in school. So we'll put that here. And then just kind of fill in as needed. So we'll put the crayons. I'm going to put this one down here. And flip this over. This one, was that at the 10 o'clock spot? Yes. Put that here. Or do I want to use, no, this is fine. Use this one. And let's put the blue here. And then I'll put the back to school computer. I like the paper clips, but since there's 2 yellows here, I don't want to do that. And then the only thing I have left to do is my little to-do checklist, which I need to go through and find some that match. I didn't get any with this kit, but I do have, let me see if I can find it. I have a whole bunch of these little books and they have these little checklists, so I just got to go through and find one that has the matching colors. So if you want to see a full spread, just check out my Instagram or check out next week when it's actually filled in and you can see everything. I am going to get a meal sticker for over here, like I said, and I will do the to-dos throughout the page and then just kind of fill it in as I go. But I think this kit turned out really cute. It is school time. It's an exciting time to be alive. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.